There's this fastest way of getting 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I tried it and it worked. Now, if you check my screen, this is one of my students. At first, he was having 149 subscribers. So I used this fastest way of getting subscribers for him. And within just 7 days plus, he was able to get over 1,000 subscribers, as you can see right here. And he's not the only one, actually. I also tried it for another student of mine. He was having almost 600 subscribers, 597 subscribers, as you can see here. And then, after trying it for him, he also got his 1,000 subscribers. As you can see right here, 1.1k subscribers. Yes, and the most interesting thing about this method is that it is not difficult. You only need two things. Number one, you need your YouTube Studio. And number two, you need Google Chrome. Once you have these two things, you are good to go. All right, now let me show you how I did it. But before I show you how I did it, please give this video a like. And also subscribe to this channel. Now let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is go to your YouTube Studio. From there, you come to this section here that says customization. Now let me remind you, this method we are going to use does not work on the YouTube Studio app. It works only on YouTube Studio using the desktop version or the Chrome browser. So if you want to use the app for this, it won't work. You need to use YouTube Studio on your computer or through Chrome. Once you come to customization, you scroll down. Scroll down until you see this section here that says channel URL. Yes, now this is what is going to do the magic for us. What you're going to do is copy this link right here. Once you copy this link, go to Google Chrome and search for a website called viralmonetize.com. Yes, please check the spelling carefully so you don't make a mistake. Once you search for it, click on the first link you see here. Don't worry, I'll be leaving the link to this website in the description of this video so that you don't make any mistakes. Great, once you click on the website, this is what it looks like. This is the interface. Now, you'll come to this section here that says Tools. I hope you are following. Click on Tools. Once you click on Tools, scroll a little bit down, and you're going to see this tool here. It is called It's Sendy. This is the tool that is going to help us get the subscribers we are looking for within 7 days plus. Once you get here, just click on it. When you click on it, it will bring you to this nice interface. Now, what you're going to do is take the YouTube link that you copied earlier and paste it right here. Then click on Generate Subscribe Link. Now, once you click on Generate Subscribe Link, it will generate a certain link for you. What this link does is that anytime people click on this particular link, they will be taken directly to your YouTube channel with the option to subscribe. Now, we know that on YouTube, when you simply tell people to subscribe, only a small percentage of them actually do it. For example, in this video, I've asked you guys to subscribe. By the time I check my analytics, only a percentage may actually subscribe. Sometimes even less. So you need to make it easier for your audience to subscribe. This link makes the process much easier by taking people directly to the subscription prompt. Just a quick one. If you are struggling to get your 4,000 watch hours on YouTube, relax, because I can help you get them within just 7 to 21 days. I've been able to help this channel get over 4,000 watch hours, as you can see from the screenshots. I've also helped another channel get over 4,000 watch hours within a space of just 7 days. If you want me to personally handle your channel, check the description, get my contact details, and let's get started. So now let's get back into the video. What you're going to do is copy the link, go back to your YouTube Studio and return to the same customization section. Scroll down a little bit until you see this section here that says Add Link. This is the first step. I'm also going to show you the second method, and honestly, I think it works even faster. Click on Add Link. Then what you're going to do is type the title of the link. You can type something like subscribe to my YouTube channel, then paste the link you generated earlier. Once you've done this, remember to click on publish, otherwise it won't work. Once you click on publish, the link will be live on your channel. I'm going to use a new trial channel to test it. So when someone comes to your YouTube channel and scrolls down, they are going to see the link right here. When they click on the link, let's see what happens. You can see that it automatically brings up a confirmation message asking them to confirm. They can then click on subscribe, and as you can see here, the person has successfully subscribed. You can also use this link on any social media platform you want, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else. Once people click on the link, they are taken directly to your YouTube channel and prompted to subscribe. The second method is to go to YouTube and look for bigger YouTube channels in your niche. Reach out to them. Ask them to post the link you generated in their description or comment section for their large audiences. And that is exactly what I tried for these students whose screenshots I showed you earlier. But I'll be honest with you, it can be quite difficult and stressful. Maybe you don't want to go through all that stress. If so, I am here for you. Let me handle everything. I'll do everything for you, and within just 7 to 21 days, you can get your 1,000 subscribers. If you're interested, just check the description of this video and reach out to me. Now, if your problem is watch hours, watch this video right here to get your 4,000 watch hours faster.